Introducing the powerful immersion blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless blending. With a robust 500-watt motor and a convenient turbo mode, this electric hand blender tackles everything from soups and smoothies to purees and baby food with ease. The detachable base allows for quick and easy cleaning, ensuring your kitchen stays spotless. Designed with 304 stainless steel blades, this blender stick ensures durability and precision, providing consistently smooth results every time. The ergonomic design of the handheld blender offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver and control. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or preparing a gourmet meal, this immersion blender is versatile enough to handle any task. It's the perfect gadget for busy parents, culinary enthusiasts, and health-conscious individuals alike. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the powerful immersion blender and experience the convenience and efficiency of professional-grade blending at home. Start your mornings right with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with timer, silver, 25490A. This innovative kitchen appliance lets you create 2 delicious, customized breakfast sandwiches in just minutes. Perfect for busy families, couples, or anyone who loves a hearty breakfast, the Dual Sandwich Maker is designed to be easy and efficient. Simply place your ingredients: bread, cheese, eggs, and your choice of meats or vegetables into the compartments, and the maker does the rest. The built-in timer ensures your sandwiches are cooked to perfection every time, while the non-stick cooking surfaces make cleanup a breeze. The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is compact and sleek, fitting neatly on any countertop. Whether you're preparing a quick meal before work or a leisurely brunch on the weekend, this appliance takes the hassle out of breakfast prep. Enjoy a hot, homemade breakfast sandwich that's tailored to your taste, and start your day off on the right foot with Hamilton Beach. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is your ultimate kitchen helper, designed for ease and convenience. With just a simple press of a button, this automatic, hands-free can opener smoothly opens cans of all sizes, ensuring a safe, smooth edge every time. Its sleek red design adds a pop of color to your kitchen while providing efficient functionality. Battery-operated, this can opener is perfect for those who struggle with traditional can openers due to arthritis or other hand mobility issues. Food safe and easy to clean, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is a must-have for busy cooks and anyone looking to simplify their meal prep. Say goodbye to manual can openers and hello to effortless convenience with Kitchen Mama. The Starford Rod Auto Express Electric Peeler, Model 093209-006BLCK, is a game-changer for your kitchen. This innovative electric peeler effortlessly peels fruits and vegetables in seconds, saving you time and effort. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. With the push of a button, the Rod Auto Express automatically peels potatoes, apples, zucchinis, and more, adjusting to the size and shape of each item. The peeler's stainless steel blade ensures precise and efficient peeling, while the non-slip base keeps it steady during use. Ideal for those with limited hand dexterity or anyone who loves cooking but dislikes the prep work, the Starford Rod Auto Express makes meal preparation a breeze. Easy to clean and compact for storage, this electric peeler is perfect for busy kitchens and makes a great gift for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Enjoy the convenience of perfectly peeled produce with the Starford Rod Auto Express. The G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool perfect for grating cheese, slicing vegetables, and chopping nuts. Featuring 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades, this mandolin slicer ensures precision and efficiency in your food prep. Its ergonomic design and sturdy base offer stability and ease of use. The hand crank mechanism is simple and effective, allowing you to grate and slice effortlessly. Cleaning is a breeze with its detachable parts, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Ideal for preparing fruits, vegetables, and nuts, the G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater is a must-have for any home cook. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a compact and powerful kitchen appliance designed for efficiency. With a 3-cup capacity and 350-watt motor, it easily handles dicing, mincing, and pureeing tasks. The stainless steel blades provide precise cuts, while the user-friendly one-touch pulse control ensures perfect texture every time. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. Ideal for preparing vegetables, herbs, and more, this mini food processor is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.